Like, hey guys. So as you, oh my god. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Oh My Janai here. Blyde is the name. So I almost killed myself. So I'm going to show you guys how I lay down my closure and make it look like a frontal. Oh yeah? Okay. We're back with another voiceover. So guys, let me just jump right into it. Before I do this, I will say I think part of the reason that my closures look really good is also have to do a lot with bleaching my knots and making baby hairs, which I'll be doing in a future video, so stay tuned for that. What I normally like to do first is once the wig is on my head, I decide what type of hairstyle I want. For this day, I wanted a middle part, so that's why you guys can see me separating my hair into the middle part. My dog just yawned and now I'm yawning. It's freaking weird. So I've separated my hair into a middle part. You have to know where you want your closure or frontal to be. I have a really big forehead, so I like to put it a little bit lower down onto my forehead. Gel I'm using is Got To Be Glue. As you can see, the closure's it's flipped up right now, and I have a huge forehead, so I spread it thin layer from where the closure begins on my left side to where the closure ends on my right side, or left to right. After I do that, I get my blow dryer on cool setting and I blow dry. So I blow dry for about, let's say, 30 seconds on cool, and I flip the closure onto where I just glued. It might be tacky and might not. In case it is not dried and it's not sticking once you do that, all you have to apply, if you don't have a blow dry, this is also another way, a scarf onto it. When I apply the scarf, I let that sit for about 5 to 10 minutes, or if you have a blow dryer, even easier, you blow dry it with the scarf on. That speeds up time. And you just blow dry, and you just keep blow drying until you think it's good. See, I'm blow drying for a while. So after I've blow dried the hair, it's now time to style it. So I take the scarf off and I want to separate the baby hairs I made from the wig itself. So I easily do that with a rat tail comb, and I just do a little part and do the separation until I think I've gotten all the baby hairs that I normally will use for my look. So once I've done that separation, as you can see here, I now get mousse. One reason I use mousse is because it allows me to kind of foam how I want my hair to look, and if I decide to change it, it's not something difficult to change. So I use the clips that I've already had to separate the hair. I get a toothbrush in order to make my baby hairs, and at this point I am making my baby hairs. If you want to see how I do my baby hairs, I will have a link at the bottom for you to watch later on. It just shows you how I kind of do my baby hairs. For this look, I'm just doing little swooshes. Nothing too crazy, just a little baby hairs looking like a cute little baby. And after I have used the mousse to make the baby hairs, which take me no more than 5 minutes, because I'm a perfectionist, so sometimes it takes me a little longer. These baby hairs I like, but I probably could have got them perfect how I love them. I then get gel and just put a little bit over each of the baby hairs just to make sure that they stick, because it's quote unquote Brazilian hair. The gel holds it compared to my beautiful luscious 4C hair that I have. So now I'm just using gel to make sure that it will hold. And then I put my scarf over it again, just, you know, for a minute or two to make sure it will hold perfectly. And I think also I was like doing something, so I was like, yeah, let's just throw a scarf on while I do this really quickly. So now that, you see them baby hairs, guys? Oh my luscious Jesus. That hair looks like it is growing from my scalp. Tell me I'm crazy, or am I crazy? I'm not crazy, I know. Alright, so you see the hair looks a bit loopy. It's just really big right now, and it's not going to look like that after. I then make my part again. I did that middle part, and it looks like it's growing from my scalp. Oh my god, that is crazy. What the F is going on right now? This is beautiful. So from there, use the rat tail comb, separate the hair. I now want to get my amazing hot comb that I got from Amazon. You guys should definitely invest in one of these if you wear frontals or closures. It will save your life, I'm telling you. And I want to just hot comb my hair like I would straighten my hair. This is a step that I think I used to never do and has dramatically changed my hair a lot. So I'm just hot combing my hair and pressing it down, kind of brushing through it, but being very careful so I don't burn myself. So I'm just brushing my hair with the hot comb, and you guys just see how flat it's becoming. It's insane. Like, look at that. Wow. Thank you, Aaliyah J. She actually told me about this, guys. I was watching a video, and the Garnier Sleek and Shine, best thing on the planet. I actually put this on, and then I flattened my hair. I used a flat iron and straightened my hair just to make sure that it is like to the T perfect. But that's literally all I do, guys. It all starts with making sure you know exactly how far you want your closure to be from your actual forehead. The bigger the forehead, the lower you can put it. The smaller your forehead, the closer to your hairline you want it. Flat iron the ends a little bit, you know, the top, so my flyaways aren't there. Look, I don't even know what I'm doing right now. Maybe a track sticking out or something. Mind you, that was the first wig I made, so I think I did a really good job on that wig. And I just flat iron the hair after. This is basically how I make my closures look like a frontal. I sometimes only wear closures when I do just a middle straight part because it's just easier to maintain, and I make baby hairs to make them look like it. But the main way to get your hair to look like a frontal, if it isn't a frontal and it's a closure, is to make sure that you're doing baby hairs. Baby hairs literally is what make people think it. Or you are not necessarily doing baby hairs, but you're tweezing the frontal to a really good point that you don't see the lace, because I'm not a fan of seeing lace. Let's take it in. It looks so good. Oh, I'm like posing, but look at it, like. Okay guys, thank you guys for watching that. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions or want to see more, comment down below. Please make sure to like this video. And yeah, subscribe if you haven't already. Press that bell over there so you can know next time I'll be posting new videos. Okay, bye guys. Thanks for watching. Love you all.